Sensemu yo komerekera chisemi aboibori aborokia na boiga aborokiwa igomomera nase skuru ya Riambase abwase bachia ose ase bachie gochaka bene na boigo kumanyekania ekerenga kiabo kyo mwako yoiga abwase bateba nigo barengete mini ya kianda ERIO Koriimokia Erieta ya skuru iyo igoro umukwani manene aso musangirikano yo nigo arenge Professor Constantine Nyamboga oyorwa esegete ne guchiase aborokiwa abo bagokora OMOKIA ERIO GOIKERANIA EKERENGA KIABO bagende ase university chingia bura umuseketi wikili forenge agotumanyase botuko bwabono
nase skuru ya sekondari ya Riambase ime yansemu ya bunge bubasi county ya Kisii abu asaba iboli abalimu abaomerana eri gochaka bene ekerenga kiaborokigwa bekerasi ge 12 omwaka oyo abwasomalimu omonene bwa skuru iyo Justus Muturi amo nomukwani egiata ase abaroko Professor Constantine Nyamboga abo mukwani omonene.
So much Soko TV for visiting us today. We had a wonderful function. Firstly, my name is Justus Muturi Momanyi, a senior principal Riambase DB Secondary School. Today it has been a great day. We have launched the 2026 school win, and we have had also a wonderful class conference.
We were at Riambase today, courtesy of the board and the senior principal, Bwana Muturi, and Dr. Sakaria Ayenda, currently director of Reinsurance Kenya. I'm Professor Constantine Nyamboga, a long experienced academia. When I got the invitation to come and launch the mean, I could not say no. Those are things I like because I come to meet students.
Kagukuwa na Soko TV magega yo gokoro musangirikano yo nigo Justus Muturi oyoro mwalimu manene bwa skuru yo atobabuna skuru yo nigerene gangenene yo gokora buya asamatemwa AKCSE omwaka oyo.
I know with the systems that we have been able to put in place, the 9.0 plus mean target, we will be able to have it achieved. We have had even our board members. I want to thank them so much. I want to thank our parents, I want to thank the students, and I want to thank the teachers so much for the effort that they are putting and for sacrificing that time to be here with us today.
Boigo Professor Constantine Nyamboga nigo Ri'Esekenderi nego chia ABOROKIGWA gotwara KOSEMIGWA konene ABOROKIGWA ERIO GOIKERANIA EKERENGA KIABO gyakonyole mini ya yanda nugute noti ocha igoro abo asaba boigo baborigwa kubwatarane skuru yo erinde GOIKERANIA EKERENGA kyo.
Many students will have regrets, and therefore as an academician currently at Angasa University, where I advise almost everyone, I came here to commit myself, also commit the students, so that they can get to the right grades that will take them to the right programs. We must take science key, whether we are going to be scientists or not, but you can't avoid a science subject. You can't avoid English if you want to be a lawyer.
Me as a chair, I promise the mean which today we launched 9.0, it is achievable because our staff are committed.
Onyena bonigo enseme ya ABOROKIGWA be skuru yo bagokera ekerenge kyo nagatababuna baise kubwatara na biyana bali mu nabo gabiboli nigo barali atamagoko ase skuru yo mwaka oyo.
I'm Violet Nyaboke, a 2026 candidate at Riambase Secondary School. I am happy for this launch of our mean of 9.0 plus, and with God's grace, I know it is achievable. Even we can achieve more than that one. I thank all officials who came, including our school principal, our teachers, for much they have sacrificed for us. And I promise on behalf of all students, we are going to try our best and do the best that we can so that we may have a better future and join our dream universities, achieve our careers.
We are promising that we are going to work hard, struggle we can do so that we can attain our success. Because success does not come just easy, but it comes by hard working and by unity. So we'll try to work together, students, to ensure we got what the targets we deserve. That's all I can say. And to our parents out there, make sure you support us where we need you in terms of resource books, so that we can also achieve our targets.
Bono nigo yatigera ABOROKIGWA abalimu nabo igo abayiboli kubwatarana asenchera ya bene elio kwene kyabuna ngoikera bale ekerenge kyo mwaka oyo asamate mwaka KCSE. Ninko reporter Soko TV ku Riambase ensemo yebunge abasi county ya Kisii Erieta Wycliffe Orenge.